What's going on, guys? Welcome to our first module, 2-dimension essential drawing. So here, we learn about 2-dimension sketch from Autodesk Inventor 2024. Okay, we here have three objectives. First one is, students are able to use engineering drawing as a standard communication medium in engineering. The second point is, students understand the function of each 20 tools in Autodesk Inventor 2024. And the last point, students are capable to edit 20 sketches with Autodesk Inventor 2024. Next, we have overview. Autodesk Inventor is a 3D mechanical solid modeling design software developed by Autodesk in 1999 to create 3D digital prototypes such as 3D model visualization, part assembly, engineering drawing, and digital product design. Next, we have sketch color. Black sketch color indicates a sketch that is fixed or fully constrained. Blue indicates pre-selected sketch geometry. Green indicates a sketch that is under constrained geometry. And the last one is purple. It indicates a sketch that is projected edges are linked to other sketch or part geometry. Now, Panel Sketch tab is used to choose a plane for your design, while Panel Create tab is used to make a sketch in a few types of choice. Okay, next, Projected Geometry is used to make a new sketch using the active geometry. Modify is used as editing tools for our design sketch. Next, in the sketch creation process, some simple things may become an inconvenience if done manually, such as creating a pattern of a geometry, mirroring a huge part of a sketch, and then more. Okay, so hello guys. First thing we have to do here is rename our module network name. Yep, like that, and we can open our Inventor Autodesk Professional 2024. Here we go to New, Metric, Standard MITT, and Create. Okay, so here we go with the File section and Save. Change it with the bottom base. Right, like this, and save. Okay, so next step is we go to the Tool section, Application Options, and the File section we go with Configure Default Template. Change it to millimeter and ANSI, and OK. Click Override, Apply, and Close. Okay, so now let's start a two-dimensional sketch. And we can choose the XZ plane like this. Yep. But before that, we can change the cube view like this. Okay. So now we can start with the rectangle 2-point center. Click and make any dimension that you want, because we can adjust it with the dimension like this. Okay, the left side is 300 and the top side is 400, like this. Okay, and now we'll move to the chamfer. The chamfer, we go with the dimension 75 and click the left side corner and OK. Okay, now the sketch looks like this. Now we move to fillet. Okay, the dimension from fillet is 150 and we can choose the corner from the right side and OK. Here, now we can use offset. We can choose the line and we go inside like this and 15. Okay. Now we'll move to the line section. Okay, now we'll make some line to right side. We can go with 85 distance. And okay. Now we'll make some circle. Here we'll go with the dimension 55. So next, we will make line again, but a little longer. Okay, click right here and drag to the right and type 175. Enter and okay. Okay, so now we'll make again bigger circle. Click right here at the endpoint and type 1 and 14. Okay. Okay, now we'll make again line from right here to the up and type 75. And okay. Okay, now here we'll make circle and type 10 diameter, and we'll make again at the same spot with 30 diameter. And okay. Okay, so now if look like this, we will continue with the rectangle feature right here. Click and select the inner circle and the outer circle and choose direction 1 like this and use this line and change it to 200 mm, and we can choose the direction 2. Direction 2 is right here, up, and click this line, as you can see, up, and change it to 150 like this and press OK. Okay, so now your lab work will look like this. Okay, now if you're done, let's finish the sketch. Up, and we can rotate, zoom out first and rotate from the cube view like this and change the directional like this and boom. And now, as always, don't forget to save your file. Okay, now we'll move to the second part. Here, we'll move to home in the bottom side. Okay, now we'll make again with new, metric, standard IPT, and create. Okay, now here we'll move to the file session and save again. Okay, here we'll rename it to soft holder like this and save. Okay, now we'll start with the 2-dimension sketch. Here we'll go with the same XZ plane and don't forget to rotate it to top plane. Okay, now we'll start with circle like this. We go with 105. Okay, now we'll make our second circle with 95. We'll make again with 85. The fourth circle is 70 like this. Okay, we go again with 55, and the last circle is 40. Okay, now we're done with circle. Okay, now if your files look like this, we can continue with the rectangle to paint center feature. there is here. You can click right here. Yep. And point right here and click. Drag over and type the dimension 17 times 17 millimeter and enter. And click OK. Yep. Okay, so now we'll use trim feature right here, and you can delete right here, here, and here. Oh, okay, I forget. You guys don't forget to delete the dimension. Click and press delete from the keyboard. And right here too. And we can continue the trim. Trim right here, here, and lastly here. And okay. So now, if your lab work look like this, we can continue to the circular feature right here. Okay, now press the red and circle. And okay. And boom. Shaft-holder is done. And if you're done, don't forget to finish the sketch like this. Boom. And don't forget to always save your file like here. Okay, now if you're done, we'll move to the third part. We go home, new, matrix, standard MMIPT, and create again. Like the same step, we'll move to file session. We go with save and rename it to the Portafilter grip. Now save, and we can start with the start to the sketch. Okay, here we'll start again with the XZ plane and rotate the cap view. Okay, now here we'll go with the circle. Okay, we'll make a 34 diameter and okay. But now we need to finish our sketch first, and we'll do another things. We have plane like this, and origin, XZ plane, and click. Set the dimension to -50. Okay. Okay, now we'll start to sketch again in the orange spot like this. We move again with circle and make it again with 34 diameter. Okay, finish sketch again, and we go with the plane again, but here click the warp plane and type 140 and go. Okay, now we start to sketch again, but we'll start at the top side, and here we'll make our last circle, and with the 28 diameter like this. And don't forget to finish our sketch. Before that, the last thing we have to do here is right click the work plane and left click the visibility, and do the same thing to the other work plane. And we're done. Don't forget to always save your file. Now we move to the fourth part. We go again with new, matrix, standard MMIPT, and create. Okay, now we go again with the save file and rename it to water holder and save. Okay, Now we'll start our 2D sketch, but we'll start with different thing. Now we move with YZ plane, like this. Okay, so now here we'll start with line, like this. We go top side with 170, enter, and OK. Now we'll start with the line again from the center point, like this, and we go right side with 36, and we go top with 170 again. We go right with 16.5, like this. Okay. Now we'll go down with 5mm, like this. Okay. So now we go left side with 8.5mm. Okay. Now we'll go down again with 165. Okay. And the last line with 8. And OK. Okay, now if your lab work looks like this, that means you're done. Okay, you can finish the sketch right here. Okay, make sure that the view is right view. You can check like this. Okay. As always, don't forget to save your file. So now, let's move to the fifth part. Okay, so now let's go move to the fifth part. Standard MMIPT and create. Okay, here, we'll do the same thing again. Go save your file and rename it to Freezer Water and save. Okay, so now we start with 2D sketch and choose the XZ plane. And don't forget to rotate your cube view like this. Okay, so now we're ready. We'll go with circle with 20 diameter. And we'll make another circle with 24.5 diameter, and you can click OK and finish the sketch. Okay, so next we can choose work plane. We choose offset from plane, and we can expand origin right here and click the XZ plane. Here we can type 90mm and click. We can zoom out, and here is the work plane. Here we can just click the work plane and create sketch. Okay, so now we can rotate the cap view first, and we'll make another circle with Okay, here we'll make a 20mm diameter like this. Okay, and we'll make rectangle 2-point center here. Click right here and press tab on your keyboard and type 10mm. Press tab again and drag to the circle and OK. So here we can delete the dimension. Okay, and we'll go with the trim. We can delete the side like this, and okay. Here we can finish sketch again. Okay, so now we'll choose another work plane, offset from work plane, and choose again XZ plane, but now we'll type minus 2 and 50 and check. Okay, zoom out and you can see the bottom. Okay, like this. We can create sketch again, and here we just finish the sketch. Okay, so now we'll make the last offset. Here, offset from plane again, but here we'll choose XY plane. Okay, here type 10 mm and check. Okay, here we choose this side and create sketch again, like this. Okay, now here we'll make line. Zoom in and you can see the spot right here. We go drag down and type 2 and 50 and enter. Okay, we can okay, and we'll make another rectangle, but we'll choose rectangle 2 point. Okay, start from here. We type 33.5, press tab, and we can type 23.5. Okay, here we can okay, and we can delete the dimension right here and right here. Okay, now we'll make another line. We can start from like here. You can type 6.5, enter. You can type 2, enter. 2 again, enter. 2 again, enter. Okay, so now we will repeat the dimension from the top. We choose again 6.5, enter. 2 again, enter. 2 again, enter. 2 again, enter. And the last 6.5 again, and enter. Okay, now you're done. But before that, we can choose trim. Okay, here the first line we have to delete is right here, up, and the second line we can delete right here. Okay, we can okay, and we will delete the dimension and line. Here we can right click and delete, and this line too right here, right click and delete. Okay, so now we can finish the sketch. Okay, we will uncheck the visibility from the work plane. Just right click and click the visibility. Do it again, work plane 2, uncheck the visibility, and right click again and left click the visibility. Okay, so now we're done with the pressure water part, and now we'll go with the next part. Here we go with the new metric standard MMIPT and create. Okay, here we'll go with the file and save again, and pressure handle and save. So now we'll start a 2-dimensional sketch in the XY plane right here. So here we'll start with circle center point. We make with 10 diameter, and we'll make again with 20 diameter. Okay. Here, we'll continue with the rectangle feature. We'll use rectangle 2 point. So here, type the dimension and press tab, and type the dimension again, like that. Okay. Boom. So here we can delete the line like this, and now we use line feature. So here we'll start right here and go right and type 86 and OK. Next, we'll use slot feature. Slot center to center. Okay, here we continue right here and type 140, enter, and type the dimension again. Okay, so now we'll continue with the rectangle 2 point and type the dimension again and press tab and enter. Okay, so the last thing we have to do here is add the center line and press center line. Okay, so now we finish the 6th part. So if you're done, finish the sketch and don't forget to always save your file. Okay, so this is the last part, and you can try to make it yourself without the guideline. Good luck! Bye guys!